friends, welcome. So we had earlier discussed in the basic geometrical shapes, we had already discussed about the point, line segments, ray, angle, interior and exterior, and also about the triangles. So now we will be coming to exercise 4.1. I've written out the questions earlier. So first question gives me a figure like this. If I have to name 5 points, then which are the points? Whatever is the point showing, that I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write the points in capital letters. So I will start B, C, O, E, and D. So B, C, O, E, D. Next it is telling me to write the name of a line. So which is a line? If I say this is a ray, if it had an extension here, it would have been a line. This is a ray, but this is a line. So when I talk about these as a line, then I can name it as DE, DO, DB or anyway. So I will prefer writing it as DB, the two end points. So I will write it as line. I will put this symbol at the top and then write DB. So this is the line. 4 rays. So I said you this is a ray. So this ray obviously there is no name, so I will not write. So I will write this ray. So you will have OB as the ray, one of the ray, OC as one of the ray, OE as one of the ray, and OD as one of the ray. So OB will be one ray, OC will be the second ray, OE will be the third ray, and OF will be the fourth ray. So how do I write? Again, from wherever it originates, I will have to put OA. Next ray is OC. Next ray is OE. And next ray is OD. Okay? Next, 5 line segments. Which are the 5 line segments? All this endpoints, if I take, it is a line segment. Also, I will take DB as one of the line segment. So I will write OA, but I will not put any day. I will put as a line segment. OC again is a line segment. OD again is a line segment. OE again is a line segment. And DB as a line segment. So you saw OE is a line segment, OD is a line segment, OC is a line segment, OB is a line segment, DB is a line segment. So if it is denoted by line segment, it is a line segment stating that it has got 2 endpoints. And if it is a ray I am talking about, which is extending in one direction, it is a ray. If it is extending on either side, then it is a line. Okay? Next. So next question number 2. I am supposed to write down all the 12 line segments which are there. So which are the 12 line segments? I will start with this. I will start with A. So AB is a line segment. AC is a line segment. AD is a line segment. Okay. Then I will start with B. BA is a line segment. BC is a line segment. BD is a line segment. Next, CA is a line segment. CB is a line segment. CD is a line segment. Similarly, if I go, DA is a line segment, DB is a line segment, and DC is a line segment. So AB, AC, AD, BA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DA, DB, DC. So these are the 12 line segments. 4 into 3, 12. 12 line segments. Hope till here it is clear for you. Next we will go into the third question. So third question gives me a figure like this. And it tells me to say line containing point E. So point E is here. So which is the line containing point E? Point E is there in two lines. AE also point E is there. And this FE also point E is there. So if it is asking for one line, I will write one line. Otherwise I will write both the lines. So for you I am writing both the lines. Line AE also contains point E. And line FE also contains point E. Okay. Next. Line passing through A. So which is the line passing through A? Yes. AE is passing through this point A. Only one line. So line AE is passing through A. Line on which O lies. So O lies in which line? This line, right? In this CO. So I will write line CO. Next, two pairs of intersecting lines. What is intersecting line? If two lines meet at a point, then it is an intersecting line. And if two lines are parallel to each other, they have same distance, they are not going to meet, then they are parallel lines. Okay? Now, intersecting lines, two pairs of intersecting lines. This line and this line is going to intersect. Check. The CO and AE will intersect. So, first pair I can write it as line CO and line AE. Which is the second pair? Line AE, of course, and FE. See, now let me one more. There is one more line that I would like to talk to you about, which is line CO and line FE. They are of course not parallel to each other because once extended, they will meet somewhere. Okay, they are not parallel. This is not parallel. So I am so sure of that. Now, can I call it intersecting? Is it intersecting? No, it is not intersecting. No, not intersecting also. But if extended, it will intersect. Okay? Next, how many lines pass through a given point? If I am given a point, so how many lines can pass? I can have one line passing, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line. So many. Think of our Indian national flag, that Ashok Chakra. So we have got spokes like, right? There are so many spokes. Like this, there are so many spokes. So there are almost 12 spokes, 12 lines, that makes 24 spokes. So again in between I can draw lines. So I can draw infinite number of lines through a given point. But if I am given 2 points, how many lines can I draw intersecting them? Only one. Because if I try to draw any other line, it will not intersect the other. So here I can draw only one line. Okay. Now I will come to the fifth question. There are 6 questions in exercise 4.1, but I will be doing only 5 questions and leave the 6th for you. Point P lies on the line. I have to draw a rough figure. So if I draw a line, if I name this line PQ, then point P lies on the line. X, Y and PQ intersect at M. So I can draw one line XY and one line PQ. So they will intersect at this point, which I can name it as M. Next, line L contains E and F but not D. So I draw a line L which contains E, which contains F but not D. D is not somewhere outside the line, not on the line. OP, OQ which meet at O. So line segment OP and line segment OQ. So this is not line but line segment OP. So obviously as O is common, I will draw another line segment OQ which obviously meets at O. Okay. So that's it for today. And we will meet with exercise 4.2. Thank you.